Hey guys, this is Rez from AdFlex. We are here together to have a recap on some easy methods you can apply in AdFlex in order to get data on how you can improve your ad campaigns on Facebook, being monitoring your competitors, or simply getting ideas for an ad creative. But before we start, I need to stress out that AdFlex is unique in a way that it gets data directly from Facebook itself without the use of an intermediary tool like Facebook Ad Library, and our developers have put years into crafting AdFlex into being a self-standing tool. But enough of that, let's get to work. Okay, first I'm going to show you how you can find ads using the search bar, and then along the way I will go about a few tricks that you can get faster to your intended ads, products, or competitors in Facebook. So first we need to sign in. Let's say I'm an affiliate and I want to find ads that are related to online casino games. So first of all, we see a search bar here, and in the right section we see a domain that you can use to find ads based on domain, text, fan page, or the URL chain, which later will be explained. But right now, imagine that I'm an affiliate that is looking for ads that are related to online casino games. But one way for me would be to type in my competitor's domain in the search ads if I already know it. So a big name in the online casino games would be Mr. Green. So I go on and type in mrgreen.com directly in search bar. Now I click search. So I see a dozen of ads over here, and well, that could work for me. That is possible, but I want to go a little bit deeper and see which ad is going to be more effective and which ad is more successful than the other. So first of all, I'm speaking English, so I want to find ads that are published in speaking English countries. So let's select the United Kingdom, United States, Australia, and Canada. So a little further down the road, I need to find ads that have had a noticeable engagement in Facebook. So I could, from this engagement section here, I could use the views filter to narrow down my search to ads that had remarkable views. For example, I'm going to search maybe 250K for the views, or maybe more or less. It's going to suffice for now. And then from the timeline, I'm going to find ads that have been published in the last month. So in this last scene, timeline section, the last scene, I will search for ads that have been published in the last month. So now I will click on search. And yes, now I have two ads that, among others, have had a noticeable amount of views, and these have been more successful than the others. And these could be somehow me monitoring my campaigns and getting ideas of how I should go on about my ad creatives in my campaigns. If I want to go a little bit deeper, I could click on ad details to have a very detailed data and the original targeting for the ad. So here I could see how many days that's been active, from when, the CTA type. Here over you can see it more clearly. I could see the target URL chain. This is a URL chain that I was telling you about. And here we have the landing page. You can directly download the landing page to have an idea how your competitors are going about their landing pages. Okay, now there is another way for me to access ads that are related to casinos. Well, this time I'm not going to use the search bar, but I'm going to use an exclusive feature of AdFlex that allows me to find ads based on the interest category. Here in the targeting section, there is an interest bar that, if I search casino here, I see two categories that are related to casino. It's going to be casino games and casino. I click both of them and I click search. Here I see lots of ads, but I want to go down and deeper and narrow down my search to find the winner ads, the successful ads. Because most of these ads may be junk and they just may be published for a day or two, but I want to find the ad that has lasted maybe more than 100 days. Now I go on, and from the ad section, I want to find ads that maybe pop up in the search result page. And the fan page category, I want to find ads that are published from pages with maybe something like 30K or 29 or 30K followers, and I want to certain that they're verified. In terms of timeline, I want to find ads that are published in the last month or so, and I'm going to leave the engagement, and that's it. Now I go on, I click search. Well, now I have found 4 ads that have performed better than others, and they're from um, verified fan pages. Now, I need to sort these ads using the quick filter here and to see which one has performed better. Now I see 2 ads that maybe are better than the others. I'm going to check for Chamba Casino, and what I see is a very good ad that has performed very good because we see that it has been active for more than 152 days. And we see a very detailed targeting information about the ad. We have the gender, the age range, the region. As we see, we have selected only, we wanted ads that had been published in English speaking countries. We could see a graph about the engagement level, and also again we have access to the URL on the fan page category. Now, these were just some of the ways that you as an affiliate could find ads on AdFlex. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and wait for more.